Now take some problems based on the rate of chemical reaction. First question is, consider the reaction N2 plus 3H2 gives 2NH3. The equality relationship between the rate of change of concentration of ammonia dNH3 by dt and minus dH2 by dt is. If we write the rate of reaction for the given expression, it will be R instantaneous will be equal to minus, because reactants change of concentration are negative. For converting it into the rate of reaction, we have to take the negative because rate of reactions are positive. So it will be rate of change of concentration of N2 by dt. It will be equal to, now another reactant is hydrogen H2 and its stoichiometric coefficient is 3. So rate of reaction will be 1 by 3. That means rate of change of concentration should be divided by the stoichiometric coefficient, and it is dH2 by dt. And NH3 is the product, so we have to take positive, and stoichiometric coefficient is 2, so it is 1 by 2, and rate of change of concentration is of ammonia. Now we have to find the relation between the rate of change of concentration of ammonia and hydrogen. So we take these two expression and we will have plus 1 by 2 d NH3 by dt. It will be equal to minus 1 by 3 d H2 by dt. This implies that carrying the 2 on the right hand side, we will have plus d NH3 by dt, that is equal to minus 2 by 3 d of H2 by dt. So option C is the correct option. In second question, reaction is 3A, which is the reactant, gives the product 2B. So we have to find the rate of reaction dB by dt. For the given reaction 3A giving 2B, we can write rate of reaction is equal to, reactant is taken minus, so it is minus 1 by 3, 3 is the stoichiometric coefficient, and concentration is A by dt. And product is B, so its stoichiometric coefficient is 2, that is 1 by 2 into concentration of B divided by dt. We have to find the dB by dt. Therefore, 2 is taken on left hand side, so it becomes minus 2 by 3 into dB by dt. Hence option B is the correct option. Third question is, for the reaction N2 plus 3H2 gives 2NH3, if the rate of change of concentration of NH3 is given 2 into 10 power minus 4 mole per liter per second, the value of minus dH2 by dt. If we write the rate of reaction R, it will be equal to, in terms of the reactant H2, it is minus 1 by 3 into dH2 by dt. And in terms of product, it will be equal to 1 by 2 and d of concentration of NH3 divided by dt. We have to find the minus dH2 by dt. So it will be equal to 3 by 2 into rate of change of concentration of ammonia NH3, and rate of change of concentration of ammonia is given as 2 into 10 power minus 4 mole per liter per second. So rate of disappearance of the hydrogen will be equal to 3 by 2 into 2 into 10 power minus 4. 2 and 2 get cancelled, so it is 3 into 10 power minus 4 mole per liter per second. Hence option D is the correct option. And next question is, the rate of reaction can be written in three ways, and these are written in terms of the reactant and products. The relationship between the K and K dash and between K and K double dash R. For the given expression, if we write the rate of reaction, this is R equal to minus 1 by 2 rate of change of concentration of N2O5, this is the reactant, so taken negative. It is equal to the 1 by 4, and because it is product, so taken positive, rate of concentration, change of concentration of the NO2. And it will be equal to the rate of change of concentration of O2. So we are given that minus d of N2O5 by dt equal to K N2O5. So this expression can be written as 1 by 2 into remaining term have the value K into concentration of N2O5. Similarly 1 by 4, and in second expression rate of change of concentration of N2 is K dash N2O5, so it is written as K dash N2O5, and for oxygen it is K double dash N2O5. Concentration of N2O5 is common in this expression, so we can write K by 2 is equal to K dash by 4, and it is equal to K double dash. So expression having the relation between K and K dash will be equal to K dash equal to 2K and K double dash equal to K by 2. So the option B is the correct option.